and welcome back to KRD. Let's start.
Sometimes I want to share something that I read in Russian. This is Kevin, but it's very hard for me because I need to translate this word and I cannot find the right word or maybe the right word with the right feeling in order to express my emotions whenever I felt when I read the Russian text.
So in short term, what she wanted to say is, we want to introduce you today some words but you cannot really translate in the other language.
Or you cannot express the right emotions.
Yes. So we will introduce you some words today, and when you want to see more of that, write us in the comment.
So the first word which I was really surprised about, and I didn't know this, it's hard to translate, is called sutki.
What is sutki?
Sutki.
What is sutki?
Sutki. Sutki, it means actually 24 hours. So I'll see you in 24 hours. You have 24 hours to do this. It took me 24 hours to do something. So in Russian we have one word that's called sutki, which doesn't mean a day, which means exactly 24 hours.
Okay, we don't have that kind of word in German.
What can you say in German?
It's the same what we say in English, 24 Stunden.
Yeah, see? So this is a nice word that Russian has, and I didn't know that it's very difficult to translate of this one word.
Yeah, it's really nice.
What about you? What word were you surprised about?
Morgenmuffel.
Oh, what that is?
It's someone who is not really a nice person in the morning, is Breathy, and it's like me.
I know this kind of person. I know this person.
So every time when I wake up so late, I'm totally tired, and first I need my standard things in the morning, and after that you can speak with me, but before you should be a little bit careful.
Next word is kipitok.
Kipitok?
Kipitok.
Kipitok?
Kipitok.
Kipitok?
Yeah, but it's the phrase. Yeah, that actually means boiling or boiled water.
Yeah, we in German say kochendes Wasser, heißes Wasser.
Yeah, but it's like, a special word. For example, there is tea, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I drink it?
It's warm, hot.
See, you would say it's hot, but I will say kipitok. In German, in Russian, in English, whatever.
Yes. In German the same, we would say
Wait.
Pass auf, heißes Wasser.
In English, you should say it's hot. Be careful, it's hot.
Yeah.
You would never say it's boiling. Because
Yes.
it's not boiling. In Russian, you would always say kipitok. Or be careful, kipitok. You would not just say
In German we would say aufpassen, es ist heiß. My word what I want to introduce you is Wanderlust.
what that is.
It means you explore the world or the nature with your feet, walking around, see a lot in the world, the nature everywhere. Yeah.
Mountains!
Exactly!
Is it Wanderlust?
Wanderlust.
Wanderlust.
Yeah, it's like you want to go out, explore everything with your feet. Exactly!
Germany is famous for drinking!
Especially for beer.
Yeah, drinking beer. And I worked in 2 companies and I noticed that even during the work, or after work, people drink a lot of alcohol, which is very weird for me. Why would you drink alcohol after work? I want to introduce one word which means drinking smell, like the smell that you drank alcohol yesterday, in the morning today. So for example, Kevin, hello.
Hello.
Oh, that smells like pirigar.
Okay,
Pirigar? Pirigar, it means yesterday you were drinking alcohol and today I can smell this drink.
Something similar we have in German means Fahne.
What is Fahne?
It's the same when you're like drinking alcohol and you can smell it.
Yeah, but for us it's specific. Next morning when you see this person you can say that the person was drinking yesterday.
Good to know. The word what I want to show you or introduce, the German The German word what I want to introduce is Vorfreude.
Vorfreude?
Yes. That's the meaning of you are enjoying or looking forward what will come, what is expected, what will happen.
Excitement? What is that?
It's like you know something will happen, you go to the event or something else and you're super happy about that, going there. So we have special word for that and it means Vorfreude.
I'm not sure this word doesn't go alone, so I want to use it in expression, which means засидеться в гостях. Yeah, засидеться в гостях, it means you're staying at someone else's place for way too long, longer than expected from both sides, but you're still having a lot of fun and you don't want to go out. And sometimes the other person says, "Hey man, let's go home."
No, I want to stay here.
Okay man, be ready, засиделись в гостях, let's go home.
No, I want to stay.
So he засиделся в гостях. So that's what I meant. The last word I want to talk about is халява.
Холера?
Халява.
Холера?
Yeah. A lot of Russians like this word. The closest one is freebie in English.
What?
Yeah, so it means like get something for free, something unexpected. For example, you go to supermarket and there's like free food you can taste. So it's like to eat for free. So to eat na халяву. So that's when халява is used. Or for example, yeah, so you get some everybody gets something and you also get it. It's also like to get it. Something for free, something that you didn't work for. But that's not the only meaning that we have. One of the favorite meanings of all the students is to ask халява to come when they have to pass their exams.
Ooh.
Yeah, when we're taking our exams, we always wait for халява to come to us. So that means good luck.
That's cool.
Yeah, shortly. But actually it has lots of meanings, the whole concept, but shortly good luck.
My last word what I want to introduce it for today is Schnapsidee.
Schnapsidee?
Yeah, it's like when you have a crazy idea or a strange idea, when you want to do something, when you're like doing something and then you get an idea like, oh, come let's do that now.
Let's do that now!
Exactly.
Yay! Schnapsidee!
Yeah.
Bang! Yeah, that's it for today, but that's not all the words that we wanted to introduce to you.
I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and see you next week.